Hi, my name is Jilan Chandra. I'm from grade 7. Today I want to explain about factors that affect the rate of dissolving. The topic is first, the effect of stirring on the rate of dissolving. 2. The effect of temperature on the rate of dissolving. 3. The effect of surface area on the rate of dissolving. The materials needed are a beaker, a 10 cm cubic measuring cylinder, a thermometer, a filter paper, styrofoam cups, a glass rod, tumbler, spatula, stopwatch, an electronic balance, 300 grams of fine sugar, and 300 grams of rock sugar. Measure 20 cm cubic of water using the measuring cylinder and pour the water into the beaker. 2. Measure the temperature of the water. Temperature of water is 27.5 Celsius. 3. Reset your stopwatch. Add a heaped spatula of fine sugar into the beaker of water and start timing immediately. Do not stir the mixture. Stop timing when all the sugar has dissolved. 4. Repeat the experiment, but this time stir the mixture with a glass rod. Ensure that the temperature of the water used is the same as that recorded in step 2. Record your results in the table provided. Time taken for sugar to dissolve completely without stirring, 31 minutes 16 seconds. With stirring, 3 minutes 16 seconds. The results, I can infer that sugar can dissolve more in the beaker that has been stirred. This means that stirring increases the rate of dissolving. To investigate the effect of temperature on the rate dissolving. 1. Measure 20 cm cubic of water using the measuring cylinder and pour it into a styrofoam cup. 2. Measure the temperature of the water. Record the temperature in the table provided. 3. Reset your stopwatch. Add a heaped spatula of fine sugar into the beaker of water and start timing immediately. Do not stir the mixture. Stop timing when all the sugar has dissolved. 4. Repeat the experiment with hot water. 5. Record the result in the table provided. Temperature of water. Without stirring, water at room temperature, 27.5 Celsius. Without stirring, using hot water, 54 Celsius. Time taken for sugar to dissolve completely. Without stirring, water at room temperature, 18 minutes 45 seconds. Without stirring, using hot water, 23 minutes 30 seconds. Results, I can infer that sugar can dissolve faster in water that is at a higher temperature. This means that higher temperature increases the rate of dissolving. An electronic balance measures the mass of small piece of rock sugar on a filter paper. The mass of rock sugar is 7 grams. To pour 150 milliliters of hot water into the beakers. 3. Reset the stopwatch. Add the small piece of rock sugar into the beaker of water and start timing immediately. Stir the mixture at a regular pace for 5 seconds and then stop. 5. In the table provided, record the time taken for all of the sugar rock to dissolve. For sugar to dissolve completely. Fine sugar, 9 minutes 44 seconds. For rock sugar is 11 minutes 16 seconds.